Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by learning the main Jetpack Joyride melody with one finger and a steady pulse. Start on middle C, play the first phrase that repeats over 8 bars, and listen for the rising fourth and falling third pattern. Practice slowly with a metronome set to 100 BPM, then increase by 5 BPM increments when clean. Keep the right hand within 1 octave above middle C for comfort. Aim for even note lengths and smooth legato, so the tune sings clearly over simple left hand support. Add left hand harmony with simple block chords: C major, a minor, F major, G major, each lasting 1 full bar for an easy arrangement. For more motion, arpeggiate the chords as broken patterns of 4/8 notes per bar so the groove matches the game's upbeat feel. Keep a relaxed wrist and place the hands about 3.5 inches apart on a standard keyboard, ensuring the bass stays low while the right hand handles the tune. Balance volume so chords support, but never overpower the melody. Structure practice into 4-bar sections and repeat each section at least 10 times before connecting them, which builds muscle memory efficiently. Record yourself at tempos between 90 and 110 BPM to emulate the game's feel and listen for phrasing, then adjust dynamics so verses are softer and choruses louder. Use sustain pedal sparingly. Half pedal on longer sustain notes and lift every 2 bars to prevent harmonic blur. Finally, add a simple ending by slowing to ritardando and finishing on a clear C major chord.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.